Of this recording is twofold. One is to allow you to learn how to do screen captures of the things that are on the screen of your Lenovo ThinkPad. I'm actually right now on my MacBook Air, but I'm going to do screenshots to show you. So our first screenshot would be of me on a Lenovo Air with my slideshow open that I'm wanting to do snippets of. So what you're going to do immediately is to go down and you're going to look for your start button and type in the words snipping where you can search for results, and it's going to bring up your snipping tool. You're going to see where it says snipping tool. That's what we're going to use to create some PNGs of the things that you want to put into, let's say, Nearpod, for example. So once you open it and you see snipping tool, you're going to right click and go down and pin that to your taskbar. And what that's going to mean is that it's going to show up down here on the bottom of your taskbar so that you can easily get to it when you need to. So let's assume that I've clicked on pin to taskbar. I'm then going to see this little snip tool appear. So then when I click on that, this is going to open up. And what I'm going to do is right next to the word new, there's a drop down menu. And I'm going to, usually for me, I found that rectangular snip was the best choice. So I'm going to click on rectangular snip. And then once I do that, it tells me to drag the cursor around the area you want to capture. So as I then move over, I'm going to capture the area I want, and then I'm going to name it something. And for this sake, I would probably call it slide 1, or the title of what your slides are, and then slide 1, because it's going to make it easier for you later. And then you're going to hit the word save. That saves it to your pictures on your Lenovo ThinkPad. And then make sure it's as a PNG and hit the word save. Then you're going to open Nearpod, log into your Nearpod account, and you're going to create a new presentation. When you go into that, you're going to click on Add Slide. And once you click on Add Slide, you have these choices, and we're going to click on Add Content. As you add content, what you're really trying to do is to add a slide. You're going to click on the word slide here, and this is going to pop up. We're actually wanting to add an image on top of that. What we just saved using the snipping tool, we're going to go find. So we're going to click on the word image, and it's going to say these are the things that are going to pop up. I then click on Browse My Files because I know I saved that under my pictures. And I'm going to go out to pictures, and I'm going to find the slide that I want. And if you remember, I named it slide 1. So I'm going to click on that slide and click the word open. That then allows me to pull that slide that I actually saved it from my Google Slides into my Nearpod slide, and I'm going to click the word save. I've got my first slide in. I'm going to add another slide and go through the same exact things again and again until I get all the slides in that I want. And then once I have them in the way I want to, I can either add other things like little questionnaires along the way like we've discussed in Nearpod, or I can just publish it as is. So once all the slides are in, I'm going to publish it. Obviously, I want to name it something that helps me to remember as well.